This is our new grader we just bought for the airport. It's a 1942 Cat. I wonder if it's got death.
I walk 47 miles of barbed wire. I got a cobra snake for a necktie. A brand new house along the roadside, and it's made out of rattlesnake hide. Got a brand new chin that baby built on top, and it's made out of human skull. Come on, take a little walk with me, baby, and tell me, who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love?
It's smoky. I was filming on the GoPro this morning too, with input footage here. Wank! Like, that's not fog. You just can't see because of all the smoke. And this morning we are going up to Calabogie where the fires actually are, because we genuinely have a job up there that we are doing this morning, right on the water. So let's head up there. Let's grab Wooby if the MFer is in right now. On a serious note, everybody that's affected by these fires, I fucking feel for you. That sucks like a mofo. We're Canadians, we're strong. We get through this shit, baby. There's no other way. That looks legal. Look, Mike's in the back of the shovel as he's on it. And the boom is off the trailer, that's cool. Corey, what are we doing in Bogey?
Digging some trenches, some well trenches, geothermal trenches, hydro trenches.
Just a bunch of trenches?
Just a bunch of trenches.
All right, let's go trench it up.
We're just gonna trench a bunch of trenches.
Let's go trench it up.
Yeah. You got this.
What a nice view, eh? Nice lot. I could retire here, just saying. Just blur this out, Luke. Just blur out this. We're not giving away any free promotion anymore, all right?
Anymore?
Anymore.
So I stopped advertising my OnlyFans site. We're out here in forest fire country. World's on fire. Joe Biden is president. Everything's going downhill. Don't put that in. We're doing some trenches. This house is on geothermal, which is like heating from the earth. So they have is like 3 wells. One is a supply for the geothermal, one is a return for the geothermal, and one is a water supply for the house. So we gotta get trenches into the building for all that. We got a hydro trench to do for their hydro service. And we gotta get power hydro trench out to the garage so they can get power out there. So we're just trenching and then moving some gigantic boulders with a little machine. Other than that, we're just gonna live the dream.
Oh my Lord, take this slow. Lay me at the bottom of the river. The devil has come to carry me home. Lay me at the bottom of the river.
Not working? Bro, this is what happens when you trust Mitch to load shit up and he leaves it buried in the rain.
Oh my Lord, take this soul. Lay me at the bottom of the river. The devil has come to carry me home. Lay me at the bottom.
Oh, fuck.
The bottom of the river.
Okay, so interesting thing for the day. Daniel, who works for us, I'm good friends with his dad. Daniel's truck was broke, so his dad gave him his pride and joy, his 1978 stepside C10 Chevy that his dad has owned since he was 16 years old, and his dad is 42, 43 years old now. So I texted my buddy Daniel's dad and said, hey, I'm gonna take this thing to lunch with my wife today. Is that cool? Yeah, sure, man. Hey, no problem. Enjoy it. We go to get back, and because I didn't understand that there's 2 set of keys. There's a set of keys that unlock the door and a set of keys for the ignition. Well, when we went to go leave the restaurant, I put in the square key in the door to unlock it, and, well, I snapped the key. Got inside the truck, realized, shit, I need that key. So, called him. He's kind of like, shit, okay. Don't have a spare. I had to Uber with my wife back from lunch, back to the office. Mike soldered the key back together. I took it to our local hardware store and they just cut me a new one. But now I'm gonna drive all the way back out there with Mike. He's gonna drive my truck back if it starts. That's how my day's going, man. He's had that key since he was 16 years old, and I take it for 1 hour and just break the key. Monday. Hydro Ottawa's finest, baby.
Been here for 4 hours.
Been here for 4 hours boozing. Okay, didn't snap it. Okay, moment of fucking truth. That's anticlimactic.
Oh.
Fuck, let's go ripping. Woo! I don't know who's the stupid motherfucker that gave me one of these, but I like it. Woo! Joe's also watching this video, and by the way, Joe, these are all added in sound effects of your motor. We did not rev it, okay? It fucking blows up. Fuck! There's Daniel. Hey man, your truck's pretty cool.
I see it's not broken.
I fixed the key.
Good job.
I was gonna do a donut, but like not on the gravel. That'd be pretty ignorant. Joe, thank you. Somebody knows where there's one of these in the world. I'll even drive to the States. I want one. Fucking let me know.
Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve.
We're in Calabogie on the water. I'm demoing an old barn and digging a new foundation for an even bigger 3-car garage, I think. We have 2 additions to do later on, but I think this is gonna be like over $1 million, they said. But yeah, that's what we're doing today, is digging for a new foundation.
Oh, way down we go.
Wooby?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Ken White Construction.
Wait, let it focus.
Fuck
Let it
off.
focus,
No.
you fucking turkey. Okay, now go.
Gobble gobble, bitch.
Reporting live from the Ken White Construction driving school. Their #1 driving instructor, Andre himself. Lesson #1, straight from Andre's mouth, is you gotta match the engine speed with the whatever speed, and then you're min.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
I think he just called you slow.
Is that what that sign means?
Andre made us stopping at Starbucks.
Starbucks. Why do I got a Tim's?
That one's mine.
Oh, the fuck.
I can hear the fucking engine. I look out the window, I can see the lights. I'm like, what the fuck is he doing?
I should have blocked it.
Fucking stupid.
Okay, we are potentially receiving a shit ton of soil, approximately 1,300, 1,400 loads, triaxle loads that is, of beautiful topsoil, but we are going to be going and looking at that per said topsoil right now to see if it's good quality. So before I get my hopes up, gotta go dig up the soil, see if it's good, let them know we can take it, bring it back to yard, screen it. But this is a win-win. Why? Because normally I have to send a machine there, 336, strip soil, take my trucks off the job sites we're hauling to now, send my trucks to the 336 that's stripping it with the person sitting in the 336 with people in the dump trucks, strip the soil, load it to the trucks, bring it back to our yard, then screen it. This is a win-win because this company's like, hey, we'll truck it right to you into your yard, all you gotta do is screen it. So this is a really good scenario if the soil is good. That's my explanation on dirt. If anybody says they love dirt more than I do, they're fucking lying. And I don't believe a word they say that comes out of their mouth. You got a new navigation system. What's this? I don't know. How do you know where we're going?
I just said Stittsville Main Street.
It doesn't look like it's a big pile of soil, but it is. It's about 400 feet long and about 100 feet wide. And at the deepest part, probably 20 feet high. Light, surprise, it's not, oh, there's a mouse. There's a mouse, booby. Hear it? That's a mole. Is it? Yeah. Poor little guy. Yeah. Look at the root system in the grass. It's sand-based, it's good. It's not fucking clay. Fucking, I'll take all of it. We'll take it. Perfect. Now the next phase. Soil's good. So what do we do now? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna locate some fucking really nice pieces of fucking dirt and find a location to put in the yard. That's what we're doing.
Fuck your fat, Ruby.
Oh my God, Ruby, you're fat as fuck. Start back there, okay, and then work ourselves. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. So they'll probably come in with their trucks. Or like the new beeper. Dump. The shovel will be sitting there, and like the shovel will just dump and fucking cast as high. Okay, it can't go any high more. Put some more soil in front of it. Okay, sit. Trucks will dump. Fucking high, keep moving forward and just stacking as high as you can, just create a fucking wall.
And Mexico will pay for the wall.
I think someone put a fucking lawnmower.
You think? We're gonna dig this. There should be a pipe coming out of the tank, probably somewhere here. So we'll find that pipe. We'll cut it over here out of our way. Then we dig all this shit out to the bottom of the stone, clean it all out. New shell, feed in the hole, backfill, topsoil, out. Just like that.
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning.
I think it's broken. We were gonna reuse that. We were gonna put that back in. Fine. It's not as expensive as what you did to the excavator.
Chip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time.
Put the coconut, the lime. We put the lime in the coconut. Cut. We put the coconut and the organic biofilter media. I didn't read that, I knew that. In the units, equally, all around. So they're gonna load up the bucket, we're gonna carry them over there, and the boys are gonna slice them open and dump them in the units, which we'll probably see right now.
Another day, bud. Going off, saving the day. Not all heroes wear capes.
That's what it's all about, it's teamwork. Working together to get the job done.
First time I've seen Taylor in a month.
Did you cut that? Sometimes in business and in the world, some things don't go right. We dealt with forest fires, which is out of our control, which thank God they have cleared up. Then I snapped a key to my best friend's 78 C10, which he's had since he was 16 years old, which we did get fixed. But it just goes to show you that sometimes shit happens and it is unfucking controllable. But that's what we proved here, that no matter what, every single fucking day in blue collar, we get up, we work hard, we do what we gotta do, we still show up. Still showing up, very fucking important. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen on the next one, so just make sure that you tune in for that one, because whatever it is, it's gonna be really fucking good. Merch is being shipped out next week. Thank you. Have a good day.
It's the only way you can drown out his breathing.
Mouth breather. We'll be the mouth breather.
Cut as fuck, leave me alone.
I just took a piss. Sweating like a pervert in a daycare. But of course I Didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots channel, to watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below. Out of control. Why out of control? The last couple of weeks were just out of control with so much different things kind of going on. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below. Out of control. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.